In a quiet, peaceful meadow, under the twinkling stars, lived a family of tiny fireflies, buzzing and bright. Their soft, warm lights flickered, like little lanterns in the night. One firefly named Sparkle was the brightest of them all. Her light so fierce and bright, it gleamed from far and wide. But Sparkle felt a sense of sadness, for she was always left alone on high. "I wish I had friends," she'd often say, "to share my light and play the night away." One evening, as the sun began to set, a curious firefly named Glow wandered to the meadow's end. He saw Sparkle, shining bright, and decided to lend a friend. "Hello there, Sparkle," Glow said with a cheerful light. "I'm new to this meadow, would you like to join me for a flight?" Sparkle, surprised and overjoyed, agreed with all her might. Together they flew through the night, their lights combining, creating a beautiful, radiant sight. They played and laughed, in pure joy and delight. As the night grew older, they took a pause. Underneath a giant willow tree, they decided to draw. With their lights, they created beautiful designs on the tree's broad bough. From that night on, Sparkle and Glow were the best of friends, their lights shining together, as if they were heaven sent. They'd play and fly, their bond unending. So remember, dear children, when you feel all alone, reach out to others, and your loneliness will be gone. Just like Sparkle and Glow, you too can find a friend. And when you look up in the night and see the stars, or a firefly's light, remember this little tale, and the importance of friendship, shining bright and rare. The end.